Today I am making a keepsake necklace for my friend with the hair of her puppy. I've never made anything like this before, so I'm very excited for this project. I've purchased these beautifully cut clear quartz cabochons. It will be perfect for this design. I secretly acquired the puppy's hair. It's so delicate and light. Let's start by making a bezel. I'm sticking this tape onto my bench to keep the stone in place while wrapping it in the bezel wire. I'm going to use a 0.5mm sterling silver sheet for the back plate and a thicker fine silver bezel wire, 0.65mm. I'm cutting a smaller piece which I will anneal to make it even easier to shape. Fine silver is very flexible, but this thicker bezel tape got even softer after annealing. I'm helping myself with the flat pliers since the stone has irregular shape. Ready for soldering. I'll add flax and silver solder. I'm cutting the excess bezel very close to the gem so that only a tiny bit goes over the top of the gem. If you close the walls that are too tall, the stone may not be well secured and therefore move inside of the bezel, and the bezel itself won't look good. It's best to shorten the walls so that they're just a millimeter above the gem. It looks like the bezel fits well. I'm going to file down the bottom of the bezel to make sure it's perfectly flat and flush with the backplate for soldering. While the metal is being cleaned in the pickle after soldering, I'm going to choose the strands of the hair I want to use and trim them. Let's continue working on our pendant. Making jewelry is a wonderful creative outlet, and there are lots of different techniques, not just metalsmithing. You can find great classes including wood and resin, wire weaving and silver clay on Skillshare, who is the sponsor of today's video. Skillshare is the largest online learning community for creatives with thousands of classes led by industry experts across design, productivity, crafts and more. I tried silver clay last year, and this is something I'm going to expand on this year. A class by Theodora Gould called Forager's Silver Clay instantly caught my eye, as I'm interested in using natural shapes of plants and turning them into jewelry. I want to make 2025 the year where I make more time for creativity, experimentation, and learning new skills. After all, creativity is a muscle. The more you exercise and build your craft, the more you grow and improve. Skillshare can help you take your skills, hobbies, and passions to the next level. The first 500 people to use my link in the description will receive a 1-month free trial of Skillshare. Get started today. I'm going to add my maker's mark to the pendant. Here's my custom stamp with the mark that's registered with the assay office. Final soldering job, adding my maker's mark and a little bail. I'm cleaning and pre-polishing the metal using bristle wheel attachments: yellow, white, red, blue, pink and green. It's time to place the hair inside of the pendant. I want the hair to be only on one side so that it doesn't cover the entire space. Since the hair is black, it wouldn't be visible. And I want my friend to be able to see the separate strands. Looks good to me. Time to set the stone. I'll start by using a bezel pusher and then I'll finish with the hammer handpiece. I'm using Eve Pumice wheels to clean any scratches left after stone setting, and I'm finishing by using pink and green polishing attachments. All done! I'm very happy how it turned out, especially for this first try. Have you ever made a keepsake jewelry before? I hope my friend will like her gift with her puppy's hair. His name is Chrupek. Huge thank you to my patrons for helping me bring you these videos, and thank you all for watching today. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and I will see you in the next one. Bye!